Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. So today we are unpacking a product that is generating massive buzz in the beauty world right now. I'm talking about the MEDITHERAPY Retinal Skin Booster Serum. It's this K-beauty formula that's claiming to completely change how we tackle wrinkles and firmness. But you know us, we're looking past the marketing hype to break down the actual science, the ingredients, and the hard data. We're going to see what's really going on inside that bottle. Okay, let's dive into this. Because if you have ever experimented with anti-aging skincare, you absolutely know the struggle. We all want that smooth, glowing skin that retinoids promise us, but so many of us just hit a brick wall. You apply a traditional retinol, and within days you're dealing with redness, intense irritation, and that dreaded, uncomfortable flaking. It's a frustrating cycle, right? It leaves a lot of people just abandoning their routines entirely. But this product? Well, it claims to have solved that exact problem. To really understand why this serum has absolutely exploded in popularity, we just need to look at the real-world impact it's having. Take this incredibly vivid anecdote from a 5-star review left by a user named Anna123. She writes, "I am 74 years old. I've been getting compliments but have not told anyone what I am using yet." She goes on to note that her face was way smoother and hydrated, with diminished wrinkles and a completely new glow after just 23 days. It's enthusiastic, organic reviews exactly like this one that have driven this serum to pull in over 5,300 global ratings and a super impressive 4.4-star overall score on Amazon. So let's get right into the science of it all, specifically retinol versus retinal. It really all comes down to one absolutely crucial distinction: retinol with an A, not retinol with an O. Think of your skin's absorption process like a giant relay race. Your skin can only use these vitamin A derivatives when they reach their final active state. Now, standard retinol, it's 2 steps away from the finish line. It requires 2 distinct conversion steps inside your skin to actually become active. But retinol, or retinaldehyde, is basically already holding the baton right in front of the finish line. It needs just 1 conversion step. Because of this incredibly direct pathway, the manufacturer claims retinol delivers much faster results, even at much lower concentrations. Plus, MEDITHERAPY uses this liposomal encapsulated delivery system. That basically means the active ingredients are packaged into microscopic vehicles that drive them deep down into your pores. So, the big takeaway here is that because it allegedly works so efficiently at such low concentrations, it doesn't just ravage your skin barrier in the process. Just look at this number, 0.000. That is the clinically tested irritation index claimed by the manufacturer for this specific formula. It's formulated with a beginner's safe concentration that's intended to deliver those anti-aging benefits, but without the harsh irritation. For consumers, that is a massive promise. We're talking 0 purging periods and no flaking, which is a total departure from other high-concentration retinoids on the market. Moving on, let's take a look at the barrier repair formula, the supporting cast, if you will. For a gentle serum to be truly effective, it needs ingredients that protect the skin while the active retinol does all the heavy lifting. First up is their Cica Biome Complex. This is formulated with 4 different extracts of Centella asiatica, which is an ingredient totally famous in K-beauty for its soothing properties. Its whole job here is to help strengthen and rebuild your skin barrier. Then we have niacinamide stepping in to minimize the appearance of pores and provide deep hydration. Together, these ingredients really support the skin's natural resilience. The overarching philosophy here is pretty clear. Your skin should be getting better and stronger with every single use, not more sensitive and reactive. Next up is the jumbo value proposition and how this product is disrupting the market. Look, if you go to the store right now, standard anti-aging serums are usually sold in these tiny, precious little 30-milliliter dropper bottles that we literally treat like liquid gold. They're expensive, and they're intended strictly for targeted face application. But MEDITHERAPY? They package their serum in a massive 150 milliliter or 5.07 fluid ounce jumbo bottle. And get this, it's priced at just under $20. This isn't just about giving you more product for your money, it's a fundamentally different approach. The manufacturer is explicitly encouraging you to use this potent retinol care on your face, your neck, and your whole body, basically anywhere your skin is feeling rough or dull. To see how this value proposition actually plays out in reality, check out this quote from a user named GirlOnFire123. Because she had access to such a generous amount of product, she extended her routine way beyond just her face. She writes, "The skin on the back of my hands, which I've ignored for years, is taking on a new dimension." I mean, that perfectly illustrates the whole head-to-toe benefit of having a jumbo-sized, affordable anti-aging solution in your daily practice. All right, let's get into real customer experiences and break down what the reviews are saying. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the overwhelmingly positive sentiment across a really large sample size. Out of more than 5,300 global ratings, a massive 73% of customers gave this serum a perfect 5-star review. Another 14% gave it 4 stars. So we're looking at 87% of all users having a highly positive experience with this formula. That is a striking consensus for a skincare product, especially in an industry where individual results usually vary so wildly based on skin type. When you actually break down the text of these reviews, it reveals exactly what consumers are noticing. Looking at the top mentioned keywords, quality is leading the pack with 343 positive mentions to just 11 negative ones. But look at the next 2 down, skin improvement and glow. Hundreds of users are specifically calling out smoother texture, improved pores, plumping, and just a newly radiant bright complexion. The moisturizing keyword also scores incredibly high, which really reinforces the idea that the Cica biome complex and niacinamide are successfully preventing that typical dry, tight feeling you'd normally associate with retinoids. However, we absolutely need to balance the hype here with some practical consumer warnings, because at the end of the day, this is still a potent active ingredient and proper application is absolutely crucial. A reviewer named Raven left a glowing 5-star review, noting the fading of dark spots and reduced wrinkles, but she included this really vivid warning. She says, "A word of caution though, don't use on eyelids because it will break off, thin out, and damage eyelashes." They noted their lashes actually became thinner and brittle after applying it just a little too close to the eye. It's a vital reminder from the community, you gotta keep this potent serum strictly around the orbital bone and keep it far, far away from your lash lines. So how exactly should you apply it? Let's go over the steps for optimal results. The routine is straightforward, but it's totally non-negotiable. Step 1, start with a cleansed face. Step 2, apply the serum generously to your face, neck, and any problem areas on your body, whether it's day or night. And hey, by the way, if you notice the serum has this natural yellow color, don't worry about it. That comes entirely from the pure retinol. There are no artificial dyes in there at all. Step 3, even though it's hydrating, you should always follow up with your standard moisturizer to lock everything in. And step 4, honestly, this might be the most critical step of them all. Always follow up with SPF when you use this product in the morning. Your skin is going to be renewing itself, so protecting that fresh, new skin from UV rays is absolutely mandatory. No skipping the sunscreen. So, what does this all mean? We've unpacked the science of single-step retinol conversion, we've analyzed those barrier-repairing ingredients, and we've looked at the overwhelming consumer data behind this jumbo-sized serum. By removing the fear of irritation and knocking down the barrier of high prices, it sets up a pretty intriguing proposition. Is it time to stop rationing your anti-aging serums and finally upgrade your whole body routine? It's a really fascinating shift in the skincare landscape and for sure, some serious food for thought for your next beauty haul.